Good morning, YouTube. It is Saturday morning, just getting back on the GTO, and I've been at it for a couple hours this morning, and I'm sitting here stumbling over something. Curious to get your opinion, but I can tell you where mine's about to be. So let me show you something here. So I kind of touched on this in the last video, but how important are stamped factory numbers on stuff? And do you care? So this is a low mileage original car. Can't even speak. Low mileage original car with what we believe to be is 38,000 original miles, and it's fairly documented. I'm looking for some old pictures here. Let's see if we can't find them. Well, I'm looking for some pictures here, but I can't find them. But we do have things like the correct numbers match. What the hell is it? Correct numbers matching transmission to the car. This is the wrong side. This has all been cleaned up, ready to go back in. Can't find it here. Not without pulling it out. So anyway, cutting a long story short, because you don't want to see me in this video. Really struggling whether numbers matching and how far detailed you really need to go. Is it engine, transmission rear end, brakes? You know, at the end of the last video, I published the PHS window sticker off the car. I'll post the build sheet here in a little bit at the end of this video. But anyway, really struggling how far to go with quote numbers matching and original stuff. I've got it all. Where do you keep it? You know, things like dust shields. The one I got is in pretty crappy shape, and the reason I'm making this video is I'm sitting here struggling cleaning these things, and I'll never get them to look as fresh as a brand new one from Ames or whatever. But just curious to get your feedback. Please comment below. If you're looking at this on Facebook, go ahead and comment there. But love to get your comments on some of this stuff. You do a lot of car, I wouldn't say restorations, but a lot of renovations. A lot of Corvettes. I did a van, if you're familiar with any of my other videos. I've got a Corvette race car that I have renovated back to its racing condition when it was raced in the 70s. It runs pretty successfully now. I've done several Corvettes from 77. I had a 70 LT1 car that was non-numbers matching motor, and it was one of the first cars I did and didn't really get too stupid about restoring it. I did have a 66 coupe that was 27,000 original mile car when it was all said and done, that the dealer seller, who I will leave unnamed at the moment, thought he was screwing me, and I ended up getting the best of it. The car was fully documented in Nolan Adams' restoration guide for C2 Corvettes. But anyway, not to drone on too much, but please comment below. It's a short video, not a whole lot of pictures, anything, but more of a vlog / questionnaire. So let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'll be curious to hear what people's thoughts are, because I'm getting frustrated getting these parts cleaned up and taking a heck of a lot of time for $25 dust shields on the brakes, for instance, which I'm sure those in particular don't make a big difference, but things like alternator, which I do have the original alternator to the car, which I probably will get rebuilt. Just use that. It's things like that I can kind of understand getting done. I do not have the original intake. I do not have the original exhaust manifolds. There was headers on the car when we got it, and an aftermarket intake on it when we got it. I'm going to use those. So I say I think I'm starting to get a little bit stupid over details, but look forward to hearing your responses. Please hit that like button and subscribe and follow, and maybe this will generate some interest from some other sources that might help us all out. Have a great rest of the weekend.